welcome back for another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 ways to make hot chocolate. We're going to start with the easy or the basic way. This is my kids, or so far my kids' most preferred method, but they have not tried my intermediate or my expert level, or so I've been told, my husband. For the easy basic hot chocolate, you're going to need cocoa powder, and you're also going to need whole milk. Well, I'm going to be using whole milk in this first one, and you're also going to need sugar. Now let's talk about the cocoa powder. I'm going to be using Hershey dark chocolate cocoa powder, 100% cocoa. I think that's how you pronounce it. Yes, 100%. I'm going to be using that, and I'm also going to be using cane sugar. You can use whatever sugar you would like. Cane sugar, granulated sugar, brown sugar, hey, your sugar, my sugar, whichever one you would like. I'm going to be using cane sugar though, and also if you would like to omit, or you could use stevia. If you would like to omit sugar altogether, you could use honey, but add that at the end because honey doesn't do really well with heat when it comes to hot chocolate. Okay, let's see what else. Also, I'm going to be using whole milk for the first, but for the second two, I'm going to be using almond milk. I will say that I found whole milk to get creamier. So if that's something that you would like in your hot chocolate, go with whole milk. If not, and you're okay with oat or almond, go ahead and try those, okay? So let's get into the kitchen. Okay, so for the first recipe, you're going to add 2 cups of whole milk. In the video, you see me using 1, but ultimately I ended up doubling this recipe. So you're doing 2 cups of milk and then 2 tablespoons of your cocoa powder. Mix it to dissolve. This was fine, but I ended up pulling out my frother because it was just so much easier. But you want to be extremely careful. You do not want this splashing on you. So be careful with the frother, but it works perfectly. After that, I'm going to add 2 big pinches of sugar, and you do it at your own discretion. Mix it up, and that is it. Let's see how this is. Look at that. Might as well get all of it, right? Okay, so I'm going to be using this 70% cocoa dark chocolate. This is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to chop it up. Next version, you're going to add 2 cups of almond milk. This is just vanilla almond milk. You're going to add your chocolate that you just chopped up. You're also going to add vanilla extract and your sugar. Do the same thing, mix it, and then I'm going to pull out my frother. Again, be careful. And you just want to keep mixing. I find myself staying at the stove because I do not want it to burn, but look how beautiful. It smells amazing. Okay, maybe a little too much there. Okay, another one. Okay, for the last one, you repeat the same steps as before, except you're gonna do a cornstarch mixed with milk. I don't know what to call it, mixture. You need this for the, okay, and we're gonna mix it up. Same base, you guys. 2 cups of almond milk. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of your cocoa powder along with your chocolate, sugar, and then your cornstarch mixture. Mix it up. Stay at the stove for this one because you want it to be fully incorporated, and you want to keep mixing to allow the cornstarch to do its work. Okay, so this is the final one. Let's see if we can pour it in there. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to try all 3 just so I can kind of have in my head how it tastes before my girls taste it. One of them is probably gonna taste on camera and the other one off. This is the basic. I'm gonna try to keep my to myself. This one is the intermediate. This one is the expert, or so I've been told. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna let my girls taste it. All right, come on, Lovey. Oh, it's up to you. Maybe you could taste all three and just tell me which one you like the best. Okay.
That was really good.
That was really good. Okay. This one is intermediate. Turn here. Turn to the camera. Okay.
Okay. This one is good.
Expert. Be careful. That one is probably the hottest. Okay. All right. Which one do you like the best? Put them in first, second, third. Okay, so tell the camera. Which one would you give first?
I think I would give maybe. I honestly think this one would be first.
Okay, so the basic one is first. Well, the easy one. Okay. What's second?
I'm thinking maybe second is this one.
I knew you was gonna say that. Okay, so the intermediate is second, and then the expert is third.
Yeah.
Okay.
The expert one is a little too chocolatey.
Okay, fair enough. I like it.
I think these two are like really good.
Okay. All right. I'm
Well,
curious to see
overall, I
what
think
Sissy
all
and
three-
Bobo said.
All three are really good.
Okay, good. Good. Okay, you guys, so that is it. Hope you enjoyed all of them. Me personally, I would say, I don't know, I can't choose. But anyway, I thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.